For a long time, companies have trusted Microsoft Teams to help their employees talk to each other and get work done. Most teams stick with it simply because it plays so nicely with all the other Microsoft software they use every day. Still, if you are new to Office jobs, figuring out where to click can feel a bit confusing in the beginning. Even people who use the app every single day might not realize all the neat things it can actually do for them. Because of that, we made a whole guide for Microsoft Teams to explain the steps clearly so you will never get a headache from it. Let's look at how it works. To get started, we need to look at where most of your daily communication actually happens, which is the Chat tab. This is where you'll find check-ins, direct messages, and team-wide announcements. When you open up a text thread, you can format your text with bolding, lists, and links to make your updates easy to read, or flag a message as important so your teammates get a direct notification. Beyond standard direct messages, the real magic happens inside group chats and dedicated channels. Channels are public spaces within a specific team where everyone can track a project's progress openly. If a conversation starts getting buried, you can pin that specific thread to the top of your sidebar so you never lose track of vital data. Sharing files is just as simple because you can drop a document directly into the conversation window. Because Teams is built right on top of the Microsoft Cloud ecosystem, multiple people can open that exact spreadsheet or document and edit it simultaneously without creating 3 different versions of the same file. You can also use loop components, which are live, interactive tables or checklists that update across your chat threads in real time as people check off tasks. If words are not cutting it, you can instantly loop in third-party project tools or throw in a quick emoji reaction to acknowledge a message without cluttering up the feed. Building on top of those daily text conversations, there are going to be plenty of moments where a quick text thread just needs to become a live face-to-face meeting. Microsoft Teams handles video and audio communication through a highly flexible system designed for both instant huddles and massive presentations. When you need to gather people right away, you can generate an instant meeting link directly from your chat screen and send it over to your colleagues, allowing them to jump into the call with a single click. For your structured work week, you can utilize the scheduling assistant to set up future video conferences. This feature lets you look at the calendars of everyone on your team simultaneously, making it incredibly easy to spot an open time slot without sending back and forth emails. Inside the actual call, you have a solid array of tools to keep things running smoothly. You can share your entire desktop screen, lock the view to a single application window, or stream a PowerPoint presentation using the special presenter mode that keeps your video feed right next to your slides. If you are presenting to a large room, the platform includes a digital hand-raising feature and a live meeting chat box so people can ask questions without interrupting the speaker. For formal calls or training sessions, you can turn on cloud recording and live transcription, which automatically converts spoken words into a searchable text document. Additionally, the standalone phone and call system allows you to make traditional audio calls to actual phone numbers outside of your organization, turning the software into a complete replacement for an old-school office desk phone. Moving past the meeting rooms, staying productive is entirely dependent on knowing exactly who you are working with and how to reach them quickly. That is where the dedicated People section comes into play, serving as a smart directory for your entire company. Instead of just listing names and email addresses, this area gives you a complete interactive view of your organizational structure. When you click on a coworker's profile card, you can instantly see their current status, whether they're actively at their desk, stuck in a scheduled meeting, presenting a screen, or completely away from the office. This takes the guesswork out of communication because you know exactly when to expect a reply. The profile card also maps out the company hierarchy, showing you who that person reports to and which team members share their department. If you need to collaborate with a specific group frequently, you can create custom contact groups to organize your workspace by project roles or regions. This directory makes it incredibly simple to launch a chat, start a video call, or send an email with a single tap from the profile screen. It acts as a digital bridge that keeps everyone connected, ensuring that even in a massive, fully remote company, finding the right expert or manager takes only a couple of seconds. Now, if you want to supercharge how you navigate all these chats and directories, you have to look at the artificial intelligence deeply embedded in the platform. Microsoft Copilot acts like a highly capable digital assistant that sits right inside your workspace, ready to process data on command. Instead of spending 20 minutes reading through hundreds of missed texts after a long lunch break, you can simply ask the assistant to summarize the conversation. It will instantly pull out the key discussion points, list the main decisions made, and highlight any tasks explicitly assigned to you. During a live video call, the AI can work in the background to analyze the spoken conversation in real time. If you join a meeting 10 minutes late, you can privately ask the assistant what has happened so far, and it will give you a neat breakdown of the discussion without disrupting anyone else. Once the call wraps up, it can automatically generate a comprehensive follow-up note complete with action items, clear deadlines, and direct quotes from the speakers. This tool also helps you draft replies, adjust the tone of your announcements, and quickly search across all your connected cloud files to find specific data points, completely changing how you manage information overload. Carrying that intelligent assistant capability even further, the exact same artificial intelligence is fully integrated into the traditional voice calling system. When you're making or receiving standard phone calls through the platform, the virtual assistant can actively listen to the audio stream to provide real-time assistance. If you are on a fast-paced call with a client who is rattling off product specifications or complex pricing numbers, the system can automatically generate a live transcript of the call. As the conversation progresses, you can ask the assistant to summarize the speaker's main points or extract specific dates and commitments right on your screen. This means you don't have to frantically scribble notes on a pad of paper while trying to stay fully engaged with the person on the other end of the line. Once the call hangs up, the system saves a clean summary of the conversation alongside the clear next steps directly into your history log. It essentially brings the advanced documentation power of a massive video conference down into a basic one-on-one telephone call, making sure no critical details fall through the cracks during your mobile workday. To tie your entire work week together, you need to rely on the structural backbone of the app, which consists of the communities, calendar, and activity feeds. The activity feed is your personal morning newspaper. It aggregates every single mention, reply, direct message, and missed call into one chronological list, ensuring you see your most urgent notifications first. Right below that, the Calendar tab syncs up perfectly with Outlook, giving you a comprehensive view of your entire schedule. From here, you can join upcoming video calls instantly, edit existing calendar events, or create custom focus blocks to protect your time from getting completely eaten up by meetings. Then you have the Communities feature, which serves a very different purpose than standard corporate channels. Communities are designed for casual, company-wide engagement, allowing teams to build spaces for shared hobbies, employee resource groups, or general knowledge sharing. It gives the workplace a more casual, social environment where people can post pictures, organize informal events, and build genuine connections outside of strict project deadlines, balancing out the core productivity features perfectly. Ultimately, Microsoft Teams is far more than just an app for sending quick texts or hosting video calls. It is an all-in-one digital operational headquarters that, taking a few minutes to learn these core tools, will completely change how you manage your daily projects and stay connected with your crew.